desired character to exist in this reality. It's so normal for my desired character to exist in this reality that nobody even bothers to question. There is no reason at all why my desired character wouldn't exist in this reality. There's no question in my mind that it's normal for my desired character to exist in this reality no matter what. I believe wholeheartedly that my desired character can exist in this reality. I believe wholeheartedly that my desired character has always existed in this reality. Every single time I breathe, my belief my desired character can exist in this reality grows stronger. Every single time I breathe, my belief that my desired character can exist in this reality grows stronger. Every single time I drink water, my belief that my desired character can exist in this reality grows stronger. My desired character and I have the exact same relationship I want to. I define the relationship that my desired character and I have with my thoughts and assumptions. I define my desired character personality with my thoughts and assumptions. I define my desired character actions with my thoughts and assumptions. I define my desired character traits with my thoughts and assumptions. My desired character has no choice but to exist in this reality within the parameters I have decided within my thoughts and assumptions. Every single time I drink, my desired relationship with my desired character grows stronger. Every single time I breathe, my desired relationship with my desired character grows stronger. Every single time I drink water, my desired relationship with my desired character grows stronger. My desired character treats me exactly the way I want them to treat me. My desired character speaks to me exactly the way I want them to speak to me. My desired character follows me by my desired name or nickname. My desired character has no choice but to treat me exactly the way I want them to treat me. My desired character has no choice but to respect my boundaries at all times when interacting. My desired character has no choice but to speak to me exactly the way I want them to speak to me. My desired character exists right here and right now, and that is that. My desired character must exist because I say so, and I am the boss of my life. My desired character must live exactly how I decide because I say so, and I'm the boss of my reality. My desired character must act exactly how I decide because I say so, and I am the boss of my reality. This reality is my reality. I define my thoughts, and have no time to conform to what I decide. Manifesting always works for me. Always means always. I can manifest the things I want no matter what. I have perfect faith in my ability to manifest. I believe in myself wholeheartedly. Every single time I breathe, my belief in my manifesting power grows stronger. Every single time I breathe, my belief in my manifesting power grows stronger. Every single time I drink water, my belief in my manifesting power grows stronger.